Namaste friends, this is Nisha here and I am an online tutor. I am the founder of Nisha Tutor, and so far we have learned how to solve linear equations, quadratic equations. Now we will study other type of equations including those that involve higher powers, fractional expressions, radicals, etc. And I will make 5 videos with 5 questions. So let's begin. So this is the equation 3 upon x plus 5 upon x plus 2 equal to, and here fractional expression. So here we have to remove denominator, and for this here first we have to find out least common denominator. So least common denominator or least common multiple of this and this is x plus 2. So both side here multiply by this. Okay, so here 3 upon x plus 5 upon x plus 2 multiply with x plus 2 equal x plus 2. Okay, so here 3 upon x multiply with this x cancel and just x plus 2 multiply here. So 3x plus 2, and when this multiply with this, it means here we are using distributive property. First multiply with this and then multiply with this. So when multiply this fraction with this, x plus 2 cancel and just 5 multiply with x equal. Here again apply distributive property. So 2x multiply with x, 2x square, and 2x multiply with 2, which is 4x. Now here again we use distributive property. So 3 multiply x, 3x, plus 3 multiply with 2, 6, plus 5x equal 2x square plus 4x. Now combine like terms. So 3x and 5x are like terms, so we can combine, which is 8x plus 6 equal 2x square plus 4x. So here this is x to the highest power in this equation is 2. It means it is quadratic equation, and so for this we have to make in general form. So one side 0, we have to make one side 0 and all these transfer to other side. So for this we have to subtract both side 8x and 6. So subtract 8x both side and subtract 6 both side. Okay, so this will be cancelled and here we can calculate. So okay, and this one is here 0. Now here 0 equal 2x square, 4x minus 8x minus 4x minus 6, and we can flip it. So we can write here 2x square minus 4x minus 6 equal to 0. And can we take common 2 from here? So yes, so we can divide whole equation by 2. So here x square minus 2x minus 3 equal to 0. And this is quadratic equation and we can solve by factoring method. So here we can write x square, and product is -3 and sum is -2. So we want two numbers which product is -3 and sum is 2. So this is -3 plus 1, -3 plus 1. And here we can use zero product property. So x minus 3 equal to 0 or x plus 1 equal to 0. So here x value is 3 and here x value is -1. But here other type of equations we have to check our solution, because here maybe extraneous solution. So we can check for x is equal to 3. So what is our 3? Okay, equation was 3 upon x. So 3 upon x plus 5 upon x plus 2 equal to 2. So here we can put value, x value 3 plus 2, and 3 upon 3 which is 1 plus 5, this is 5. So 5 upon 5 which is also 1. So 1 plus 1, 2. So yeah, this is correct. Right, it works. And now we can check for x is equal to -1. So 3 upon x plus 5 upon x plus 2 equal to 3 upon -1 plus 5 upon -1 plus 2. So 3 divided by -1, -3. 5 upon -1 plus 2, 1. So -3 plus 5 which is 2. And this is also correct. This is 2. So our both answers are correct, right? So we must check our answers, because multiplying by an expressions that contains the variable can introduce extraneous solutions. And after check this, we can say these are the solutions: x is equal to 3 and x is equal to -1. Okay, I hope you get it. And these are really simple questions, just like if you know how to factorize quadratic equations. So these are really easy. And if you have any doubt, please ask me. If you liked my video, so please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Bye. Have a nice time.